Dear Gurum children, today we will learn about how to locate places using the grids. So to locate the places, we need 2 points. So here I have taken alphabets in the x-axis and the numbers in the y-axis. So how we are going to locate the places using the points. Here I have given the examples, 10 examples to locate the places on this grid. First one is B9. So first column I have taken the alphabets, second column I have taken the numbers. So always starts with the x-axis. So B. Now keep the finger on the x-axis, B line. Next 9. Now move the finger towards the y-axis. Near the place 9 line, please place a finger. Now the meeting place of these two line is your destination. So here is your destination. This is the first one. Same way we will see the second one. D8. So in x-axis, place your finger first on the D line. Next 8. In y-axis, place your finger in the line 8. So the meeting place of these two gives your destination. That is the second one. This is D8. Same way F6. So in x-axis F, in y-axis 6. So meeting place of these two lines gives you your destination. Same way J0. So here in x-axis J and 0 is here. So this place your destination. Next H3. So in x-axis H, in y-axis 3. So this meeting place of these two lines is the location of the points. And A7. So in x-axis A, in y-axis 7. So meeting place of these two lines is the next one. Same way E2. So in x-axis E, in y-axis 2. So the meeting place of these two is this. Then G5. In x-axis G, in y-axis 5. So meeting place of G and 5 line is this. Next I4. In x-axis I, in y-axis 4. So the meeting place of I and 4, these two lines is this. Same way C1. In x-axis is this C, and in y-axis 1, the meeting place of C and 1 is this. Like this, you need to locate the places in the map also. So same as such, I have sent you a worksheet today. So practice in that. Then based on this, in the map, we will be locating using latitudes and longitudes. As you are aware, latitudes run horizontally and longitudes run vertically. So with the help of that, we will be marking the meeting place of these two latitudes and longitudes gives you your destination. For example, if you take a 40-degree west and 80-degree north. So this gives you the locating places. These 2 points, if you locate in the map, you will get the location. So using this latitude and longitudes, in the next class we will use the map and locate the places. Thank you.